Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom, doing my laundry. And I got some time. I'm going to show you how to cook a simple dish. Easy. Heat up the pot and pan. Hot. You see the smoke start coming out? I'm going to turn down to medium. Like this. I'm going to add some oil because you always want to preheat your pot and pan. We're going to swirl the oil like this a little bit. And here, I'm going to add some ginger and garlic. I'm not going to tell you the name yet. I'm going to let you think what I'm going to make. It's going to be so delicious, easy to eat. Like this. And then, we're going to add in onion. I have some bell pepper and string bean. The string bean is just about ready to go bad, so you gotta use it. Give them a little gentle stir. And I have a few pieces of the spinach. Did you get it yet? A lot of people say, Chef Tom, what's the recipe? I cannot tell you. Whatever you have at home is your recipe. I don't want to tell you to go buy a bunch of grocery and then come back home, you only cook one dish and you don't know what else you're gonna do. No, that's not how we cook. Right? And besides, every fresh food is good for you. We all know that. But it's hard to eat out, it's hard to make 3-4 meals a day. Especially like me, I gotta have 5 meals a day. Because I just love to eat. Okay, here, I'm going to using some of the oil here. And then I got this 3 beautiful farmer's egg. Beat a little bit. And then, watch. Don't you love hot, big skillet? I'm going to scramble the egg a little bit. You don't want the heat too high. You gotta pay attention. Otherwise the egg will be overcooked. Now, everybody custom different, right? Some people like to add water with the egg. There's a reason for that. And some people like to add cream, heavy cream. Some people like to beat their egg really foamy. Guess what? I like them all. It's food, right? Alright, here. I'm gonna add some my specialty. I bought this from the Easter market. It's masala yellow curry, and I come back home, I add the turmeric combined like this. Now this is a chance to eat good for you. Okay? Alright. I like that heat. So now we can combine. Like this. See? There's another way of cooking. Chinese cooking. If you go to Southeast Asia, they seriously have so many that you gotta open your eye. You think you see everything else? No, this is nothing. This is just home cooking. I just want to show you how to cook. All right, never overcook the egg unless you want it well done. My wife likes to eat the egg like runny, very runny, really soft. Black pepper, little salt. I already turned off my stove. And then, give them a quick toss. Or you can do this the end. There we go. You see how beautiful, easy? That'd be a great for breakfast, don't you think? Scrambled egg and vegetable. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.